Hi people, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Macari's Cakes here and I'm very excited to have you guys here on my channel. So please do well to subscribe to the channel if you're coming here for the very first time. Okay, and my old subscribers, thank you guys so much. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you all how to make strawberry fillings. In as much I have I have the online course, the paid online course, but I've decided to share with you guys for free. Although I would have still put it in my membership, but however, let me just share with you guys how to make this yummy strawberry filling for your cake. So please, if you're really interested to watch this, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video today. So these are the ingredients I have here on my table. I have my water here, that I'm going to use to wash the strawberries. I have my sugar, I have my corn flour, my vanilla flavor, my frozen strawberries. Please don't mind the way it's looking. It's a very fresh strawberries. I put it inside the freezer and I brought it out for it to thaw or defrost. That's why it's looking this way, so ignore it, okay? And this is my water that I'm going to use to make the strawberry filling, and here is my saucepan. So guys, let's just go straight into this video. So I'm going to take off all these things right now. I'm going to wash the strawberries first. So guys, I have washed my hands. They are well washed, as you can see, because I don't want to use glove here. I feel so uncomfortable when I'm using glove to work. So I'm going to pour these strawberries here. It's not a must you put the strawberries inside the freezer, okay? It's not really a must, but because due to the light situation, I decided to put it inside the freezer so that it will not go bad quickly. And the fact that I'm using it for strawberry filling, if I'm going to use it to garnish some cakes, I will not put it inside the freezer. If not, you can imagine putting something like this on top of a cake for a client. It's gonna look so messy. But because I'm using it for filling, I have to put it inside the freezer. Even if you're trying to make smoothie, you can actually put it inside the freezer, or you can actually like make the smoothie without putting the strawberries inside the freezer. So I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. And I feel like you guys are actually lucky that I'm sharing this recipe, because the thing is I have an online course on how to make different types of filling, and I think this is the last one I'm going to share here. I have online course how to make strawberry filling, blueberry filling, salted caramel, and lemon curd. So please, if you're really interested, you can follow me and I'll you can pay for the online course. Okay, so this is just jara that I'm giving you guys. So guys, that's it. I'm going to wash these strawberries right now. To wash your strawberries, you can use salt or vinegar. So I'm going to add in my vinegar just to use it to wash the strawberries. So you guys, my strawberries are actually washed completely. So I want to start chopping it into pieces. The thing is, if you like, you can chop it into pieces. If you like, you can leave it like that, okay? So but because I don't want my strawberry puree or filling to have some chunks, like big chunks of strawberries, I prefer to slice it, or I prefer to use my blender to grate it, you get. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You can either use your blender or your food processor, or you can use knife to slice it. So by the time I use knife to slice it, at the end of the ending process, what you'll be seeing some little tiny chunks of strawberries. I think at least if your clients are eating their cakes with a strawberry filling, not like they'll be filling too much chunks of strawberry, but at least they'll be filling that some tiny particles of strawberries in their strawberry filling that they requested for. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I made a video about cake fillings anyway, you get. So that video talks about how to make different types of fillings. No, not really how to make though, but the video explains more on, different types of fillings that you can use for different types of cakes. I talked about, strawberry fillings is mostly better for maybe vanilla cakes, blueberry fillings, like, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So I hope you guys must have watched that video. If you have not watched it, I'm going to link it up somewhere up or towards the end of the video. That video, I feel like, is doing so well because people are actually watching it. So the video talks about, different types of fillings that you can use for different types of cakes. Some people do use strawberry filling for red velvet cake, and it does not really make sense to me. So I'm only giving you an example of what I thought about, in the video. You can use strawberry fillings for your vanilla cake. You can use blueberry fillings for your vanilla cakes. You can use blueberry filling for your coconut cake. Okay, so just look for that video. It's not too far, so you can watch it and understand the type of fillings that you can use for your cakes. It's very, very important for you to know that as a baker, and for you to, educate your customers that are ordering this type of fillings for you. And it's not, I wouldn't say you shouldn't do for everybody or for anybody, but you need to understand that cake fillings is luxury. So by the time you add cake fillings to your cakes, it becomes premium cakes. So I'm taking my time to gist with you guys while I'm cutting this strawberry fruit. So it's already looking so soft because I put it inside the freezer. So guys, at this point, I think I'm done slicing this. So I'll have to put it into my saucepan. This strawberries is so expensive. I got it for 4,500 naira. So you can imagine if a client wants fillings in their cake, and imagine, how much you're going to charge. I had to buy these strawberries just for content sake. Oh, you can imagine. So please, I want you people to watch this video, make this video to go viral, share this video. It's not like a client ordered for strawberry filling. I bought it because of you guys. That's one thing we see in content. So please, the fact that I'm not even using it for anything for now, except maybe when I get the order, I'll use it. The fact that, I'm buying this thing just to teach you guys how to make this, like I said, for content sake. So please make sure that you guys share this video so that it can go viral. Drop your comments and, let me know your thoughts about this video. Okay, so guys, I'm done cutting. It's time to, start preparing the strawberry fillings. You guys, I am using a non-stick saucepan to make my strawberry filling because I don't want it to get burnt. You can use, any pots, any saucepan that you have, provided, it's clean. As you can see, the strawberry already has some juice in it. So I don't know, maybe if it's because I, put it inside the freezer, but it's already, bringing out some tiny juice inside it. Can you see, guys? So I'm going to transfer these strawberries into my stove. So you guys, I am going to add in my cup of water right now. Some people do add this thing directly, into the stove, but I want to, add it here so you guys can see it completely. And I'm going to add in my sugar. Strawberry used to slap very well. The one they sell here in Nigeria used to slap very, very well. But I guess the one they sell in their abroad, maybe like Canada, US, those ones don't used to slap because I see people how they used to eat it without, changing their faces somehow. But if you don't want here in Nigeria, it used to slap. So of course we have to add sugar. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. So please check the recipe in the description of this video. Please, if you are enjoying this particular recipe, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, drop your comments. So I'm adding the 2nd tablespoon of sugar. If you want it too sweet, you can add more sugar, but I feel like for this particular recipe, this 2 sugar is okay. Meanwhile, I did not even measure this strawberry. Oh my god. I did not measure this strawberry, guys. Look. Oh my god. I think, okay, let's just say this particular strawberries, after cutting it, let's just say 1 cup, because it's not that much, right? So let's just say 1 cup of strawberry, diced strawberries. So I'm going to give it a little bit of stir. Like, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir these strawberries right now because I've added water sugar. Then what else again? Okay guys, so let me just take it. Okay, I think none for now, so let me take it, let me put it on the stove so that I can start, cooking or boiling. So I have transferred the strawberries into on top of my stove, so it will start cooking right now. Please make sure that you reduce the heat. You have to do this on a low heat. You can imagine me not, dicing the strawberries. There's this, as in, at the end of the day, it will not look like the way I want it. I don't know if you guys, get what I'm saying. So at this point, it will start cooking gently and start, bringing out the juice. So I'm going to allow this to cook for like maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, you guys, so I tasted the liquid, so I felt like, I needed to add some sugar. I'm going to add in one teaspoon of sugar. So I feel like this particular measurement is okay. So you guys, it's actually boiling. So if I don't want the chunk to show too much, I'm actually using my fork to, pieces it very well, so that, it will give me that puree that I want. Like I said earlier before, you can blend it if you have blender. For me, I feel like, I prefer to blend it anyway, but I decided to use fork for those that don't have blender at all. I'm gonna allow this to cook now. Always try to scrape down because you don't want it to dry off, your saucepan. It's actually coming together gradually. If you want, you can still add in more water. So I'm adding like another extra 1/4 cup of water. Can you see it? Don't worry, it will still become thicker, okay? I'm going to show you guys what will make it thicker. I know, and it will not look like puree at the end of the day. So I'm going to allow this to cook more. So you guys, this is my corn flour, and it's actually time to add it, inside the strawberry filling, just to make it thicker, like everything come together and it becomes a puree. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water just to melt the corn flour. Please make sure that you melt your corn flour properly. Your corn flour should not have anything lumps in it. This is perfect. Okay, so it's actually drying up gently. You have to always give it a stir, please. Whenever you're making strawberry, always keep stirring it. And you feel like it's drying up, you can always add in water. So it's time to add in the corn flour. The corn flour helps to thicken it very, very well. I want to also add vanilla flavor. If you have strawberry flavor, you can add it, okay? So guys, this is our strawberry puree or strawberry filling. The aroma of this smells so nice, and I think, I feel like it's maybe because of the vanilla flavor that I added. It's giving me nice aroma. So guys, this is our strawberry filling. It's super easy and super simple. It's not too thick, it's not watery, it's just there. Can you guys see it? It's not watery, it's not thick, it's not too thick, and it's just there, perfect. By the time it gets cold, everything will now become more perfect. So if at this point you're making it now and your puree like this, like, on the saucepan is too thick, by the time it gets cold, you will not even like how it's gonna be. So I feel like, it's much more better, if it's a little bit watery, not too watery, not too thick, but a little bit, watery, so that by the time it gets cold, you have that perfect texture that you want for your strawberry filling. So guys, I'm going to turn off the heat right now. So you guys, this is the perfect way to make your strawberry. I love the fact that the strawberry chunk is not too much. Like, you know, it's just normal, and you can even use this particular puree for your jam donuts. But I would suggest that if you want to use this for your jam donuts, like if you don't want to keep on buying jam, you know, at the supermarket or any store near you, I will advise you to, you know, blend your strawberries, you know, inside your blender, so that you can have that perfect taste and texture. So guys, this is it here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, if you got one or two value from this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Share this video. Like I said, this is one of my online paid course, but I'm, you know, just I have to make another video for you guys to watch for free. So please, if I'd wanted, I would have put it in my membership for people to go and for my members, you know, to go and watch it there. But I just wanted to bring it to the, like, you know, make it public so everybody can access it. Okay, so guys, please share this video, like, subscribe to my channel for more beautiful content. And guys, guess what? We've gotten up to 10,000 subscribers. Yay! And you know what? I'm going to make a separate video for that, you know, just celebrate with you guys. And you know, a giveaway is coming up soon. Okay, so just watch out for the video that'll be coming up. Let me just taste this particular strawberry filling. Tastes so nice. The sugar is moderate, like everything is super moderate. Oh my god, guys, I think I'm going to sign off from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your like, your shares, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay fabulous. See you guys on the next one.